Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is interval. Our topic is interval. The distance between two notes is called interval. To measure the distance between two notes, count the alphabet letters. C to D, second. C to E, third. C to F, fourth. And C to G is fifth. When two notes are played or sung together, a harmonic interval is formed. When they are separately performed, it is known as melodic interval. Harmonic interval is played together. Melodic interval is played one after the other. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.